Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya Jeev and today the topic that we're gonna look into is about the 10 things you should never Google. So let's go into the video. We all know that Google is a wonderful source of information, but it can be a dangerous place. In most cases, Google can be a great help in finding something you need. However, sometimes it can work against you. What starts out as an innocent search for information turns into an Alice into Wonderland trip down the rabbit hole. You find what should be a basic search term for food or sports figures turns out to be a disgusting medical condition. I can promise that this video will have you cringing and shaking your head in absolute amazement at the depths of depravity and insanity that has taken over the darkest corners of the internet. We'll go from the strange to sick and from the gross to bizarre as we travel down the twisted road of the internet hell. I knew there were some disgusting things out there, but I was shocked at the depths of it. I welcome you to take this ride with me, but I will say this, you can't go back in time and forget what you saw. I can be very sure of that. All after I had to find these entries. If you're ready to see things that will stick with you, whether you want them to or not, keep watching. If you do, don't say I didn't provide ample warning. Now sit back and enjoy the creep show. Your medical symptoms. First of all, let's talk about your health problems. There are many websites that specialize in such content, and of course, most of them are not managed by medical professionals. One of the worst things we can do is Google anything health related. What could be something as simple as a cold will turn into the most rare forms of cancer with just a click of a button. We all have fallen victim to impatience and fear when it comes to strange symptoms. With all the technology and information available to us, we often find it hard to wait for a professional opinion and we take it into our own hands with search engines like Google and Wikipedia. We feel like we have all the information we need to make a valid and educated guess about things, but that's all it is, just a guess. We need to quit pinning all of our hopes on that search box. So the next time you or your loved one come down with a mystery illness, get into the car and go to see a doctor. Death Clock. This crazy website has been around for years and is one of the creepiest sites you probably should just avoid. It is a strange site that is supposed to predict your death date. Why would anyone feel the need to do this? This supposedly innocent website was probably set up as a joke, but it's definitely creepy. No one wants to feel like death is hanging over them. Intellectually, we know it's a joke, like one of the silly quizzes on Facebook. But the idea of something being able to predict when you're going to leave this life will latch on your subconscious and leave you feeling a bit unnerved. We all know we're going to eventually die. Quit looking for it. Trypophobia or any phobia. As a general rule, understanding what scares us can be helpful. But there are some pretty crazy and creepy fears out there. For the last several years, there have been some disturbing photos floating around the internet of a disease that causes holes in the skin. To be clear, this is not a real disease. The story that circulated was one about an anthropologist that returned from South America with a rash on her breast. Despite treatment, she developed holes filled with parasites that were feeding on her breast. The photo is actually an edited combination of a breast and a lotus flower pod. It is truly disgusting, but the horrible thing about this is that it plays on a real phobia. Trypophobia or the fear of clusters or holes is a real condition. So, this warning covers two things. Don't Google phobias or rare diseases that causes holes in the skin. Either way, you won't get the image out of your head. Dermatological disorders. I have one piece of advice for this. Don't ever Google skin disorders. It's not worth it. The truly disgusting and gross photos you find will cause you to lose your lunch. They are truly nasty. We have all been in a situation where we found an itchy bump and we're trying to figure out if it's a bug bite or an allergic reaction. So we grab our phones and start Googling. I can honestly say this is a mistake you won't want to repeat. Once you see these images, you will never be able to forget the disturbing things that will fill your eyes and haunt your nightmares. If you have something going on with your skin, get help. Don't get Google. Coconut crab. If you like seafood, you have probably had crab meat at one time or another. Most of us would picture a small creature with claws when we hear the word crab. But that simple image is nowhere near accurate when it comes to the coconut crab. This alien-looking nightmare makes the rounds on Google, terrifying the unwitting. It's an enormous hermit crab that is capable of killing and eating small animals. They actually eat coconuts. They can grow as big as 3 feet from head to tail and weigh up to 40 pounds. These gigantic terrors can even climb trees. If you're even a bit twitchy about creepy things, do not Google them. They're horrifying. Clock spider. A few years ago, this nightmare of a meme started circulating on the internet and creeping people out. The whole thing started with a series of 3 photos that could make anyone want to run screaming. It starts with a photo of a wall clock with what looks like the tips of a spider's leg sticking out. The second photo shows the spider on the wall, and the third shows an up-close photo of the spider's leg. This creepy photo montage started the myth of the clock spider. The photos are rumored to be a huntsman spider, which is one of the largest in the world. For anyone who gets the shivers at a regular-sized spider creeping along, spare yourself the nightmare-inducing image of a spider the size of the wall clock. It's an image that will stick in your mind like a spider web. If you don't believe me, you could Google it. Wet cola. 9 years ago, this internet hoax terrorized people around the world. Someone thought it was a good idea to Photoshop one of the most horrifying images of what is supposed to be a wet cola and spread it around the internet. This meme started circulating in 2012 and has been sending nightmares to anyone who runs across it since. It definitely makes people think twice about approaching colas. It took someone uncovering an actual photo of a wet cola to show that it was an astonishingly convincing Photoshop job. It was so convincing that it went viral. So, if you haven't seen enough creepy looking animals, feel free to look this up, but don't say you weren't warned. Cave spider. If you ever wondered if aliens exist, this will convince you they do. These horrific creatures from the dark depths of the earth will leave you cringing and running. And I can promise you that if you didn't have arachnophobia before, you will. These spiders are enormous and do not look like their everyday cousins. They look like something that either survived the prehistoric era or arrived on an asteroid. Truly creepy and disturbing on every level. These 8-legged nightmares will not leave your mind for a while. And if you encounter them in real life, you will never want to set foot in a cave again without a torch. If you don't believe me, Google one. Study of body decomposition. I'm going to be very honest about this one. It's gross. For anyone with a weak stomach, I would advise you to never look this up. I'm a huge fan of science fiction, fantasy and horror work and don't creep out easily. But this turned my stomach. The Body Farm is a research facility that is dedicated to study of body decomposition. Although they provide a valuable service for law enforcement and forensic science, they're truly some of the most gruesome places around. These open-air facilities allow scientists to study decomposition in real time and up close. If you can't stand the sight of blood or other bodily fluids, don't ever look this up. You cannot unsee what Google will show you. Yourself or your partner. I'm going to simply add this because it can be a bad idea. No matter what the results are, you will be traumatized. You're either going to find absolutely nothing about yourself which will depress you, or you'll find more things about you than you ever remember doing. Your entire past will come back to haunt you. It's even worse when you Google your partner. Even if you don't find anything, you have now opened the gate of mistrust and suspicion. This will never end well. So the next time you have the urge to Google either one, put the keyboard down and walk away. Don't let Google trip on you. Like I've said it before, Google is an amazing tool, but like anything else, it could lead you down some scary roads. You could end up in corners of the internet hell before you know it. Once that door is opened and you've taken that first step, I can't promise that you won't be traumatized. Google has some filters, but I would advise adding some yourself by not searching these things. Next time you're looking at a Google search box, think carefully before typing. What to Google then? However, instead of looking for the unpleasant things in this list, you can always have fun with Google. Just try searching for anything starting with why, how, do, etc. The most popular searches will show up, and you'll be surprised by what many people are interested in. Enjoy! Thank you very much, lovelies, and if you like the video, please do not forget to like, comment and share the video to friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe my channel to get more interesting information and videos.